Marriage results in a significant drop of income for women in Germany, according to researchers from IFO Institute in Munich and the University of Oslo. Women's wages in Germany fall by an average of 20% after marriage, while men's wages remain unaffected. The study, The Marriage Earnings Gap, is based on pension insurance data and found that the earnings differences occur regardless of whether a couple has children. When childbirth is included, women's earnings declined by nearly 50%. The drop in income is not due to lower wages, but rather to reduction in working hours. According to the study, 1 in 10 women stops working although altogether after marriage, while the rest work about 20% fewer hours. This shift occurs gradually over several years. Meanwhile, women's domestic work increases at a similar rate even when childcare is excluded. The study found no similar changes among men. This trend is reinforced by the German tax system and traditional gender roles. The researchers saw less drop in earnings among women who grew up in the former East German GDR, where the IFO says there are more gender progressive norms.